Hey my friends, how are you today? Welcome to the video. I hope you're doing really well and I trust you are. And I'm really happy and glad to be making a video here with you, and I'm grateful for you tuning in. So for all new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Click the the subscribe button with the bell, and click all for all future updates of my videos. And for all the existing subscribers coming back, pleasure and joy to have you here again. So thanks for your love and support, and sharing and liking or supporting my videos and my work. Appreciate that very much. So yeah, in today's video, I just want to talk about how I've grown in my life, and what another word for like spirituality and growth or evolution is for me, and that is connection. Now, Teal Swan, if any of you know Teal Swan, she's I like her. You know, I don't really listen to her anymore, really much ever. Like, I'm not against her, but a little bit. You know, I'm for her. Like, I love what she's doing. I admire and respect her work. She's passionate about changing people's lives and the personal and global consciousness. She has my props and appreciation and support. I just happen to resonate with her teachers at the moment, because there's different teachers for all different parts of our life. You know, there really is, and it doesn't mean anyone is wrong or right. But yeah, she once made a video about love, and I remember what she said was a synonym or another word for love would be connection. And it reminds me of what Gabor Mate says. Gabor Mate, yeah, he talks about the reason for addiction is because of feeling a lack of connection. So yeah, a lack of love, a lack of connection, a lack of feeling belonging or part of. So that's what connection means. You feel part of, or a sense of belonging to. You feel connected to. You feel a sense of belonging or attachment or connection, a sense of bondedness. You know, the word attachment can be used either positively or negatively. Sometimes in the New Age or the modern wisdom books or spiritual books, you know, we know about codependency or like negative attachment, where you need something to be your specific way, otherwise you get sad and upset. That's a form of disempowerment, of course. Or you need somebody else to be a specific way, exactly the way you want, when you want, and that's a form of disempowerment. But to feel like you can feel attached or connected or bonded to your loved one, that's okay. So there's always different ways and frequencies and energies through which we can perceive or define something. So, moving on to the video, connection. As I have grown in my own inner self, my life, my spirituality, as I've developed and grown and matured, especially the last few years, to be honest, because I feel the energy is coming into Earth from the sun, from the galaxy, and from other like very high frequency beings like Pleiadians, Arcturians, or Andromedans. I think it's all like, as long as you're open and you ask, or you're willing to receive. I don't know. Like, I've done so much growth in the last like 1 year. Like, it's just been crazy. Like, it feels like I'm a changed man. I've done more growth in the last year than ever in my life, than in many years. Even the last 3 years, wow. Since I met my soul partner, my twin mate, my soul flame, my partner in co-creation, my partner in crime. Not really that, of course. Yeah, just being a bit playful. Yeah, I've done massive growth. So yeah, connection. I feel much more connected now to everything now, like people, the plants, the trees, the animals, children, adults, people who think the same way as me, people who think differently than me. I just feel connected unconditionally to everybody. Even the Illuminati, like, you know, the Cabal, whatever. I'm not against them. Sure, I might have the occasional feeling of like feeling a bit sad or angry at what they do, but it's only like a flicker. Like, it's not really long lasting whatsoever. And I have compassion and a sense of love and forgiveness and care for them, and seeing them in their true light, and even becoming and acting out their true light, even while still alive here on Earth, for change, for transformation, for an evolution of their consciousness. So for me, connection really is like what Teal Swan says, like it is a form of love. It is love in simply another word. I don't know. Connection is a more practical word that describes what love is: connection. Do you feel like that's? I've been vegan for 15 years as my diet. Now more than ever, I hold the frequency of veganism, which is like as little to no harm as possible. I'm evolving in my love, compassion, and forgiveness. My love and compassion, my care, my love, my care, my compassion, my looking out for, feeling belonging or connected to, feeling a part of. I feel like I feel and love and appreciate that which I feel connected to and part of and belonging to. I belong to the land. I belong to Mother Nature, Gaia. I belong to the earth. I am fed and given to by the sun and Mother Earth, Gaia, and Great Spirit. That's where all my food comes from. Every single bit of food comes from Mother Earth, Gaia, and the sun, and Great Spirit, the spirit within. And it's just pure magic, and I'm so grateful. Like I just feel so grateful. I love fish. I love everything. I just try my best to do no harm. And if you like a part 2 to this video, because I gotta go before shop closes, lots of love and appreciation for you joining me. Thanks for all. Please do click on my links below to join me on Odyssey, my other video non-censored platform, which is really cool. Join me on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media. 20% off my herb store, Higher Self Herbs, for first orders, and 10% off also for reoccurring customers. And thanks for your love and support, for care for me and my family. I love you and your family, and if there's anything I can do, body, mind, spirit, including relationship healing, personal healing, or even family healing, which is all part and parcel, I'd love to do that, or health healing, body healing. It's my pleasure, joy, and passion, and honor and privilege. And thank you for watching. Please give this a share and a like, and thanks for all who do that and support my work and mission. And thank you. Keep shining your light and tell me all about yourself. Leave me a comment, befriend me, send me a personal message. If there's anything I can do, or any questions or help I can share, I can do. I'd love to. So yes, thank you, high five, and I wish you a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Lots of love.